Planet Earth has been called the blue planet due to the abundant water on its surface. Here on Earth, we take liquid water for granted. Water is a long-term necessity in need of a long-term solution. Thetis Environmental developed and validated a disruptive solution for the high solids wastewater treatment, the PermaFlux UF membranes technology. PermaFlux TM, tubular membranes reinvented, is the greenest solution for membrane filtration of high solids concentration effluents. PermaFlux technology consists of a revolutionary membrane chemistry, unique module design, and proprietary energy savings closed-loop operating protocol. Tubular membranes have been the standard high solids filtration technology for the past decades. This incumbent technology has not made any noteworthy technological progress in the last 20 years. Tubular membranes operate using very large pumps required to sustain high velocity inside the tubes. Alternatively, PermaFlux is a closed-loop system, achieving ample shear levels at lower cross-flow velocity and lower operating pressure using much smaller pumps. PermaFlux uses double-sided membrane filaments oriented in a parallel configuration. Flow channels inside the module provide velocity where needed next to the membrane surface. PermaFlux inlet was designed with no dead zones where solids can build up, unlike tubular modules. Tubular membrane modules will clog when running at PermaFlux operating conditions. Even when using high velocity and high pressure, tubular membranes have a high risk of clogging. Unlike all tubular membranes, PermaFlux features outside-in permeation. The PermaFlux module is designed with simplicity in mind, consisting of a housing, inlet grill, a multitude of double-sided membrane sheets, and a permeate collector. In operation, the membrane allows water molecules to permeate through and rejects solids. Over time, the rejected particles concentrate along the membrane surface. By reversing the permeate flow, solids are forced away from the membrane, recovering the productivity. Assembled modules are installed into the filtration skid. Permeate port and end connectors are attached before sliding the module in place. The number of modules varies depending on the application. The system can operate in feed and bleed or closed-loop mode. Feed and bleed is a continuous process with a portion of the feed returning to the feed tank. This operating mode will have alternating cycles of production, backwash, and back to production. Similarly, closed-loop operating mode will have production, backwash, and back to production. During closed-loop production, none of the loop contents are circulated back to the feed tank, causing the contaminant concentration in the loop to continuously increase. Periodically, the concentrate is discharged from the loop and fresh feed is brought in. At predetermined intervals, maintenance cleans and/or recovery cleans are performed to maintain performance and extend membrane's life. Cleaning chemicals are added to the permeate tank. The mixed solution is backpulsed into the membranes, similarly to a backwash step alternating with soaking intervals to dissolve and remove fouling contaminants. If needed, one or more modules can be replaced in a skid. Fully assembled and factory-tested filtration skids are installed at customer's site. The commissioning process is typically between 2 and 6 hours. Multiple skids can be combined together for larger capacity.